So this is from day 9. It's, I need to be more ready for these. Which variable to solve for, part 2, and it's a cool down called Carnival Tickets. So, key concepts. If an elevator has a capacity of 3,000 pounds and is being loaded with boxes of 2 sizes, small and large, a small box weighs 60 pounds and a large box weighs 150 pounds. Based off of that, we should be able to come up with this equation for the total capacity. Total capacity 3,000 is equal to the weight of a single small package times the number of small packages plus the weight of a large package times the number of large packages. And that together, that combined total weight of small and big packages is going to be 3,000. Now, if we take a look, we can take this equation that we came up with and rewrite it, just like we did from the previous lesson, to highlight a particular quantity. So if we take a look at this, we can get the x by itself. And if we know that x is the number of small boxes, this equation right here will tell us the number of small boxes for any value of y, which is our number of large boxes. So if I know how many large boxes there are, and I want to figure out how many small boxes, this is a nice equation for that. All I had to do was go through the steps of, subtracting 150y from both sides. And over here, the 150y's cancel. And on the right side, well, we can't take 150y away from 3,000. So it's just 3,000 minus 150y. And then we divide both sides by 60, and we get x equals that. Down here, we're doing the exact same steps, except we're trying to get the y by itself. So we start by subtracting by 60x. So this equation is nice to find the number of small boxes when we know the number of large boxes. This equation down here is nice to figure out the number of large boxes when we know the number of small boxes. So a school is holding a carnival and hopes to raise $500. Child tickets cost $3 and adult tickets cost $5. If the school sells X child tickets and Y adult tickets, then this equation, $3 per child times X, the number of children, plus $5 per adult times Y, the number of adults, combined together would be $500. Solve the equation for X. You want to get the X by itself, just like you were doing over here. Take a look at this again. How did we get this x by itself? We eliminated the y term first, and it ended up over here. And then we divided by 60. Divide by 60. It's the same sequence of steps, really. Now, the big question is, when might it be helpful to rewrite the equation this way? Well, you're going to get x equals stuff with a y in it somewhere. What is x? What is y? X is easy to find if y is known. I hope that helps. I know this is a short one. Simple concept, but can be difficult to understand. Let me know or let your teacher know if you have any questions.